Hello everyone, Grace here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what is in my wallet. So this was actually a video requested by one of you. I've never watched one of these videos, so here we go. So of course, I have my bag here. So I've had this bag for a very long time, but today we're not here to talk about the bag. We are here today to talk about my wallet and what's specifically inside this wallet. So this wallet here, I've honestly had this Prada Saffiano wallet for, oh my gosh, like probably close over 10 years now. And I think the quality has really held up. Back in the day, this was about $500 for this wallet. And I think nowadays it retails for like $1,200. So talk about appreciation and getting a good deal. I think this is, I guess in a way, a pretty good deal because it's still holding up to this day. So I think you're all here basically for the credit cards, right? Like to talk about what is actually used day to day for me. So first up, as you all know, I have my Amex Platinum here. I do use this quite a bit, honestly, but I'm actually holding back a little bit on using this and transitioning to this instead. Amex Marriott Bonvoy card. I'm trying to actually save up more points for hotel rooms just because we're looking to book a stay in Asia. And well, this one will racks up points faster than the Amex Platinum specifically. So I think I gotta double check on that. So I am actually using this one a bit more these days, which is different. I have my Mastercard. I am not a fan of this card, to be honest, but the only reason why I have this card is because this card is attached to my Costco membership, and Costco in Canada only takes Mastercard, so this is why I have this card. This is a no-fee annual card, which is great. Only time I ever use this card is just at Costco. Next up, I also have is my Aeroplan Visa. So I always have a Visa or Mastercard with me on top of my Amex because I know even though Amex is more or less widely accepted these days, Visa, Mastercard is always available, and almost every single merchant does take it, so that's why I always have this just the backup. But again, yeah, so this is the Visa Aeroplan card. I'm pretty much done with the welcome bonus on this card right now, so I'm just kind of waiting around to see maybe I would cancel it at some point. But again, this card here, easy to get, I would say. Great for everyday purchases, but again, once you kind of hit that welcome bonus, I don't know if it's worth using anymore, but this is essentially my backup card. And my Amex is my primary card that I do. This is my debit card. Nothing too special. Again, I don't really use this debit card a whole lot, only for places that don't take credit card. That's when I use my debit card. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't ever use it just because I am someone that does like to use my credit card just to earn points, as you probably know. So whenever that opportunity comes up for me to swipe a card, I usually go for my credit card over my debit card. And I am also someone that does not carry a balance ever. So that's why in a way credit cards work well for me. But if you are someone that does carry a balance, then maybe go down the debit card route, because I always think controlled spending like supersedes any of the value that you would get over a credit card points. So first up, I of course have a bit of like change. So specifically, I've got these change because I sold something on Facebook Marketplace and this person decided to give me $10 in change. Not the best, but money is money these days, right? And then I've got some American cash because I am not too far from the States. So sometimes I like to take some cash out when the exchange rate is a little bit better, so that when I do go down, I can go to like Trader Joe's, Target, you know, the basics. And of course I have here Canadian cash because like I said, I recently sold something on Facebook Marketplace, and yeah, so which is nice, you know. Sometimes, I mean, for anyone who doesn't sell things on Facebook Marketplace, you really should. I think it's a great place just to get some money back for stuff that you don't use, so highly recommended. What else? Of course, I have my driver's license here, which I'm not going to show because it's the internet, right? So next up, we have like this bunch of like these random ass cards that I have. So I don't really know what I've got here, but this stack of whatever, I'm gonna show you what I've got. So H Mart points card. I love points card. So I got myself one of these things because I live close to an H Mart. So I don't really know what you get with the points, but I just swipe it every single time. I have a little Canadian Tire if you're Canadian. I have a little Canadian Tire points card again. Don't know what I get with this, but I have it when I do go to Canadian Tire because collecting points is very important. T&T card if you're in Canada as well. This is another Asian grocery store. Again, collecting points, don't know what for. I feel like everything that you redeem from T&T requires like, I don't even know, hundreds and thousands of points, which I don't have. I think their points earning ratio is like pretty bad as well. So I don't know, whoever is redeeming from this place, I feel like you're probably spending like $10,000 a year in groceries or something, but I have that card. Receipt. I have a receipt because I'm going to Japan soon, so I got some money exchanged because the Japanese yen is doing actually pretty poorly. So the Canadian dollar is really good, I guess, in that case. Is that how it works? I'm not an economics major. So yes, I got some Japanese yen. What is this receipt? Ooh, dinner receipt at a hot pot place. I also have I rarely use this card. This card here is to collect President's Choice or PC Optimum points. Again, I love points. This card is actually pretty good in a way because if you do here's a hack. Not really a hack, I think people know this, but whenever there is like a 20 times the points day, you have to shop here because this is like the easiest way to get money back. And like honestly, I feel like within my lifetime, I probably got about $200 back, which is not bad. And I always only buy things that I need, not things that I like get just because I could get the points, you know. So yeah, PC Optimum points. What else do I have? Ooh, this is I can't have to cover a lot of this stuff on here. Insurance card, so that when I do get like treatments or dental, etc., it is basically 100% covered because we are in Canada, fortunately. Again, more points card for pet stuff. This one here, I have a exchange preferred rate VIP card. Not that it really does anything. I think it like gives me a slight edge when I am doing conversions, but I have this in my pocket whenever needed. I mean, to be honest, this is just like a piece of paper business card. I feel like you could just like duplicate it. I mean, not saying you should, but you could, right? Transit card. I have not used one of these for a freaking long time. So even though we do have the trains nearby, I honestly have not used this in a very long time just because I do work from home, so I don't have the need, and I have a dog as well, so it doesn't really work well. I have a what they call BCAA. I guess in the States it's called a CAA. Same thing, again, automotive service, I would say. Like, you know, if my car breaks down or if I need a jump start or whatever, they'll come get me. I've used it once. I don't plan on using them again, but it's a great insurance. Sometimes if you are in the Vancouver area and watching this, you do get like a little nice perk. Like sometimes you get a free ice cream here and there, you know, little perks like that. But mainly this card, I hope I never will have to use it, but it's good as a backup. I have a card here. This is not a points card, but this is for an arcade, a local arcade that we have here. Again, just for play credits. I think I loaded like $30 on here. I still have quite a bit left just because I'm not really someone who does do that. And that is basically it. These are all of my points card, you know, my wallet. Yeah, like my wallet, my cash, my credit cards. So, I mean, for anyone interested, again, like right now, I only have 4 credit cards active. 2 of them are Amex, 1 of them is a Visa, and 1 of them is a Mastercard because of Costco. But otherwise, like Amex is my primary go-to, and I also have it synced up to my phone so I can use Apple Pay as well. In case anytime I don't have my wallet with me, I can always just pay with my phone. Yeah, I don't know if this is insightful or like I don't know, if any questions, if you're a points person, let me know. But yeah, this is essentially what is in my wallet. You have questions about this wallet as well, you're welcome to pay me. But yeah, I've had this wallet for 10 years now, and I really hope it could still carry on for like many more years to go, because I am not buying another one of these. They're so freaking expensive these days. With that said though, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do click subscribe. And if you have any ideas or questions for my next video, please leave me a comment down below. More than happy to, explore those ideas. I can always have a chat with you as well if you're interested. Just leave me any comments, and I will see you all in the next one. And thank you so much for watching my video. Bye-bye. Okay, bye.